Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome back to my channel, my Aussie life with me Dewey. So today I'm going to share how to make some fritters. So I'm going to share the recipe. So I have got some chopped onions, chopped cabbage, bean sprouts and some carrots. So if you guys want to use some kind of a spring onions or zucchini, you can use that as well. And I've got here 1 teaspoon of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, and also 6 cloves of garlic that's been crushed, 1 egg, rice flour, plain flour, water, and this chicken stock. So I'm going to show you how to make it. Okay guys, now I'm going to get some flour. I'm going to put that in my bowl. So we're gonna use about 3 cups of flour. Excuse me guys, can you please be quiet? Sorry guys, my kid's a bit noisy. Then I'm going to put half cup of the rice flour. So this rice flour is basically gonna make your fritters get crunchy. And I'm going to put my what's the name? Salt and white pepper in the bowl. I'm gonna put in my crushed garlic. And I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of this chicken stock. I'm going to crack the egg. And now I'm going to add the water. So I use this 500 ml of water, guys. So you just give it a stir. So we just give it a mix. And now I'm just gonna give it a little taste. Yeah, that's perfect. Now you can put all your chopped vegetables in the bowl. So if you guys like potatoes, you can put some potatoes as well. Or broccoli or cauliflower. Basically you can use any kind of vegetables. I didn't put the spring onions in here because I ran out of the spring onion, but I replaced them with some red onions, so it should be fine. So that's the mixture look like. So this mixture is a little bit too thick, so I'm just gonna add a little bit more water, about 100 ml of water. Because you don't want the mixture too thick here, because that's gonna get, they won't get crunchy. Awesome, now that's perfect. My in-laws really love this. Every time they came here, I always make them fritters. And they usually eat it with sweet soy sauce, ketchup mayonnaise. Now the mixture is perfect, so you want it to look like this, guys. You don't want it to watery either. Now I'm going to fry them. Okay guys, the fritters are cooked. See? They are very nice and crunchy. So I'm going to taste it now. See how crunchy they are? And as usual, I'll have it with my chili. It's super crunchy. I usually eat 4 or 6 chilies in one fritter, guys. So yummy. If you don't like it spicy, you could also eat it with this ketchup mayonnaise, the sweet soy sauce. This is really yummy as well. Or if you like it spicy and you don't like the raw chili, you can just use this one, ABC chili sauce. Super yummy. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.